Hi, today I'm bringing you guys inside the heart of production, the injection molding workshop. Follow my lens and let's check out how things work behind the scenes.
Alright, we are now entering with one of the staff member, and as you can see, this is the injection area of MY helmets. Right now, you are looking at one of our automated robotic arms in action. It pulling freshly molded helmet parts straight out of the injection machine and placing them onto the production line. Pretty cool, right? Let me show you the raw material we use for the helmet shells. This is high quality imported ABS. These little pellets are what eventually get transformed into strong, durable shell that keep riders safe on the road. That's a wrap for today's look inside the factory. Next time I will show you how of our production process. Stay tuned.